Dominic Chinea, who works as a set designer, vehicle restorer, and metalwork expert on the repair shop, reflected on how NHS workers saved his life when he was a baby. Dominic had been tasked with fixing up a special Thomas the Tank Engine trolley used in the children's ward at Frimley Park Hospital. One wrong move with his paintbrush and he'll end up having googly cross eyes and scaring away the kids on the ward, which is the last thing we want, he joked as he brought Thomas' face back to life with a lick of paint. He went on to add, "When I was a newborn baby, I was actually in intensive care for a good week or two. I had quite a serious problem with one of the pipes coming from my stomach, it sort of closed itself up and I couldn't keep down any food. It was honestly a terrifying time for my mum." Continuing his work on the trolley, he added, "Without the NHS and children's wards like this one, I literally wouldn't be here now. So it's a real honor, and I'm actually really proud to be able to give something back." Elsewhere in the episode, children's author Michael Rosen appeared in the iconic barn to see if a cherished item could be fixed. He opened up about his experience of battling COVID-19 early in the pandemic and being in a coma in March 2020. Don't miss. The repair shop's J Blades comforts Susie over guest's remarkable story. Video, J Blades lands new role with Sir David Jason away from the repair shop. Latest, Michael Rosen on how the repair shop rescued his precious diary. Interview, he arrived with a diary full of heartfelt entries by nurses on the ward who didn't give up hope for him and asked the team of experts to help him restore the special notes to a better condition, which they managed to do. Michael appeared emotional as he went to collect the special document, which has been transformed into a new-looking book. "Oh my goodness," he remarked, adding, "Oh dear, that's almost like a school prize, that is. This is beautiful. How have you done that?" It was all cut. Picking up his newly fixed book, he asked, "Where's the page that was falling out?" "You can't tell." The Repair Shop airs Wednesdays from 8 p.m. on BBC One.